So the shower is due for an update, and you're ready to do it yourself. Here's what's on your wish list. Something comfortable for everyone in your family that configures to your unique space and is easy to install. Is that too much to ask? Not at all. Find exactly what you're looking for with the Ovation Curve shower and bath collection from American Standard. Even if you're not an installation expert, it's easy to look like one. The Ovation Curve shower and bath collection is engineered to fit seamlessly, making it a DIYer's delight. It uses a Duracomb support base for structure and stability, so there's no need for mortar. The modular walls are easy to handle, transport, and install. The wall design makes securing to studs a breeze. Each piece is engineered with smart alignment and connection features for expert results that last, thanks to the premium structure material. Built with a curved design, your shower or tub is made to maximize space and comfort for your most relaxing moments. The built-in storage makes it easy to keep all your shower essentials in order. And shaving ledges and towel bars are included for added convenience. Plus, the safe close barn-style doors are designed to reduce slamming. And no-slip floors help you keep a firm footing. The Ovation Curve shower and bath collection comes in a variety of dimensions, from a 60-inch tub and shower all the way down to a 36-inch corner shower, so you can find the right fit for your room. The subway tile wall pattern means there's no grout to maintain, so once it's set up, it's easy to keep clean. You'll applaud the look and comfort of your bathroom with the Ovation Curve shower and bath collection from American Standard.